How to solve notifications problems on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve your notifications problems on TikTok. All you need to do is go to your TikTok. Now click on those three buttons up there. There is two steps to solve those problems. The first is click on push notifications. And now turn on likes, comments, new followers, and anything, direct message, video from account you follow, anything, and you can turn it off. Now, if your problem it's not here, all you need to do, go back, scroll down, click on report a problem, and scroll down, click on notifications. And if you are unable to receive inbox notifications, click on it. And if you are unable to load inbox page, click on it. Or if there is other problems, click on other. And all you need to do is click no or yes and click need more help and tap your feedback. Also, there is a push notifications. Click on the problem and write your feedback again, or follow the steps. This is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.